How to make $50 $100 a day online with 30 minutes work at home every day. You are reading Income Quickies Review. Product name: Income Quickies. Author: Tom Mob. Price: $4.95. Category: e-business and e-marketing. Subcategory: affiliate marketing. Product type: videos, PDFs and membership area. Official website. Click here to visit Income Quickies website. Risk: no, you can refund. Money back guaranteed for 60 days. Bonus and discount: yes, a package of 3 ebooks about how to make a full-time income online. $197 value. For free, click here to download Income Quickies program and the 3 ebooks package for free. Income Quickies about how to make $50 $100 a day online with 30 minutes work at home every day. Simple and quick way to make money online. In this short review about Tom Mob's product, Income Quickies Review, I am going to mention some pros and cons about Income Quickies product, so just keep reading Income Quickies Review to the end. Income Quickies Pros: simple process to implement that anyone can outsource. Powerful method to make money online, anyone can use to make money fast. You don't need to generate traffic or have a website. You don't need to have your own product. No experience or technical knowledge required. You can set up in less than 30 minutes. You can make between $50 $100 per day. A new step-by-step Income Quickie method every month. Bonus 1, access to Income Quickies Vault. Bonus 2, free access to Income Labs. Bonus 3, invite to weekly Q&A. Bonus 4, access to Income University membership platform. Bonus 5, hands-free Income Quickies. Bonus 6, $2 million case study. Bonus 7, instant access to members-only Facebook group. Low price ticket compared to the results you will get. Live support 7/24 plus 100% money back guaranteed. This site is powered and trusted by ClickBank.com. Income Quickies cons: online purchase risk, but you can refund within 60 days if it doesn't work. Although this system is proven, all the results depend on your effort and patience. Like any online course, no guaranteed results. You may do it wrong the few first tries, so be patient and try again.